Build your dream lake home on this stunning waterfront lot at beautiful Lake Viking. Offering approximately 0.67 acres, this property features breathtaking water views and an ideal setting for a walkout basement home. The gently rolling terrain and mature trees provide a wonderful combination of privacy, natural beauty, and multiple opportunities to capture gorgeous lake views from your future home. The property has already been surveyed and is ready for your vision. Located in a beautiful cove surrounded by attractive lake homes, this lot offers the opportunity to create your own waterfront retreat and enjoy everything the Lake Viking lifestyle has to offer. Spend your days boating, fishing, swimming, tubing, skiing, or simply relaxing by the water and taking in spectacular sunsets. Lake Viking is a private 630-acre lake community and one of Northwest Missouri's best-kept secrets. Whether you are ready to build your dream home now or are looking for a waterfront property to hold for the future, this approximately 0